हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का ये हॉल थोड़ा स्पेशल है बिकॉज इट इज ऑल अबाउट दोज अफोर्डेबल पार्टी वेयर 3-piece कुर्ता सेट्स विच आर परफेक्ट फॉर अपकमिंग फेस्टिव सीजन। और मैंने ये सारे के सारे पीसेस फ्लिपकार्ट से खरीदे हैं। ये सारे के सारे पीसेस प्रीमियम क्वालिटी फैब्रिक में बने हुए हैं विथ अमेजिंग डिजाइन्स एंड परफेक्ट फिट। स्टाइल भी मिलेगा, कंफर्ट भी रहेगा और बजट भी हैप्पी होगा। एज यूजुअल आई विल गिव यू ट्राई ऑन हॉल विथ सम स्टाइलिंग टिप्स एंड वेयर यू कैन वेयर दिस सेट्स। सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Okay, the first look of this Flipkart haul is this amazing purple set from brand Royal Export. Honestly, ये कुर्ता सेट देखते ही मुझे लगा wow, it's so pretty. It is made in Chanderi fabric which is not only premium but feels so lightweight and comfortable. Perfect for those festive days when you want to look put together but don't want to feel weighed down. It's got those ethnic motif embroidered all over in the front of kurta. Plus there is this nice delicate white colored embroidered border around the hemline. Plus it has round neck which has again nice embroidered border, and it comes with 3/4 sleeves which is just the right length. No fuss, just comfort. Plus it has again white lace trim detailing. Kurta has classic calf length with straight cut. Plus it is fully lined, so no see-through drama, totally comfortable. Now let's talk about trousers. These are crop trousers with fully elasticated waistband, and it has the same lace trim detailing as sleeve edges, so it creates nice cohesive look. Plus it has one pocket which comes in very handy because you can move around without a purse. But dupatta is real star in this outfit. Look at this beautiful soft organza dupatta. It looks like it is fully embroidered and looks absolutely graceful, but actually it is a all over print. It is not embroidery, but isn't it look stunning? This dupatta literally lifts the whole look. For the styling, I paired it with these colorful jhumkas, this chunky silver bracelet. For the footwear, my silver thong style heels because they are festive and light. And the best part, this whole set is available at rupees only 1204 at 82% discount, which is such a good price for this premium quality set. Moving on to next look of this haul, and this one is from New Ethnic for You, and it is in this beautiful rich pink shade. Actually, you can call this gajari color in Hindi, which is such a rich shade of pink. It just screams festive. Kurta is again calf length, straight fit with V neckline and 3/4 sleeves. Simple but elegant combo. What I really love about this set is this golden threadwork embroidery which is running around the neckline, sleeve edges, even on the hemline. Now look at this embroidery closely. It has nice scallop design, and the same scallop design is there on sleeve edges and hemline, which enhances the desi look of this dress. It feels like it is made in super soft silk blend fabric, plus it is fully lined, so finishing is top notch and it is super comfortable to wear. Now trousers, again these are in same color, super comfortable, fully elasticated, comes with one pocket, easy to wear for long hours. अब बात करते हैं दुपट्टे की, which is the highlight of this set. It is made in super soft nylon toppy fabric with ethnic buttas all over with stunning border, which brings in the whole look together beautifully. For the styling, I paired it with my Rubans earrings, same bracelet. For the footwear, my favorite clear heels to keep things balanced and modern. And the crazy part, it is available only at rupees 846 at massive 76% discount. Can you believe it? It is such a good price for this premium quality set. Okay, next up is something super elegant from brand Mukosh. A rich anarkali style kurta set in this beautiful light brown shade. It's classic, timeless and perfect for every occasion. Fabric is silk blend with soft crepe inner lining, which feels super smooth against the skin. Comfort be important hai, right? Kurta has this round notch neckline with full sleeves, which is super classy and easy to style. What I absolutely loved is this delicate embroidered yoke design. It's subtle but adds just the right amount of sophistication. Sleeves has embroidered scallop edges and the hemline is broad fold, which honestly makes the whole outfit look super premium. You get super comfortable partially elasticated trousers in same color with this set. Perfect mix of style and ease. Dupatta is equally stunning with these ethnic motif buttas all over and scalloped edges, adding that perfect delicate charm to the whole outfit. Accessories I kept simple with these gold hoop earrings and gold bracelet from Lily Origin. For the footwear, clear heels. Basic but elegant choice to let the outfit shine on its own. This set is available for only 1226 rupees, which is such a steal for this premium quality look. Next look of the haul is again from Royal Export. It is in this beautiful brown shade made in viscose rayon fabric. Fabric itna soft and flowy hai, you will feel comfortable all day long. Kurta has V neckline, slightly flared 3/4 sleeves, very breezy and stylish. What I love here is this white threadwork embroidery all over. There are these small ethnic motif buttas all over the front, and then there is this delicate embroidery along the neckline on sleeve edges. It is very detailed but not over the top. And guess what? They have given this same embroidery as sleeves on the trousers hemline too. Looks super elegant, balanced and coordinated. Now trousers are in same color, fully elasticated, super comfortable, comes with one pocket, which is always a bonus for me. To complete the look, we have this soft organza dupatta with again ethnic motif embroidery and scalloped edges. I paired this look with these cute little pearl jhumkas, a bracelet from Lily Origin, and for the footwear, my go-to must harbor heels. And what's cool about this set is that it comes in multiple colors and each color is so beautiful, it is really hard to pick just one. And the best part, it is available only at 969 rupees. Amazing, right? As I told you, this set is not only available in this beautiful brown color, but it is available in multiple shades. And it is really hard to pick just one. Wine, teal blue, pine green, हर कलर अपने आप में यूनिक है, हर कलर का अपना एक वाइब है, but they all look really rich and festive. With same delicate embroidery, comfortable palazzos and stunning dupatta, make each one a total winner. So whether you feel bold in wine, cool in teal blue or earthy in pine green, there is a color for everyone. Which color would you rock? Let me know. So guys, that was my Flipkart affordable 3-piece kurta set haul. मुझे तो हर look ही पसंद आया. Tell me in the comments, आपको कौन सा look पसंद आया. And if you like this haul video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye till then.